Yo, what's up with J2O, man? You already know we out here keeping the real FOREX King. So I'm doing a quick market recap for Wednesday. August 26th was my birthday. So let's see what's going on with the GBP USD. So pretty much this pair, if you look at the high time frame, let's go to 4-hour chart. This pair been pretty much consolidating to like the upside. It hasn't broke structure below the 130,600 area. So we're still on pretty much consolidating uptrend. So pretty much the New York session was pretty much bullish, as you can see. London session was pretty weak, but pretty much it took off during like New York section for the uptrend move. And if you're using fibs, you want to probably try and look for like a sell retracement. But due to where this pair is in the market, where it's pretty much consolidating in a higher time frame for 4-hour chart, sells are risky. Even though it's a sell zone, it's still pretty risky. So you should wait for better confirmation. Better confirmation would be probably around this area, because the market could reject back around this area and then come back down. So a better sell opportunity would be around this area if it comes here for minor drop, if it's going to do consolidation drop. But right now the market is pretty bullish this past 2 days. Let's go to the daily chart so you can see what I'm talking about for GBUSD. So as you can see, the market Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the market pretty much been on a bullish momentum. These two green candles, this is how the market ended today. So as you see, based on the prior, the market was consolidating, dropping, but then it broke back up to retest this area. So that's the thing about this pair right now. I don't really like this pair right now because it's not trending. Like you see this right here, it's a nice trend, uptrend move. A lot of consolidation, a lot of fake outs. It's going to drop, it's going to rise, it's going to drop, but now it went back up, just come back down. A lot of fake outs, but now it's going back up. As you can see, it's potentially going to retest this area of resistance. So let's go to JPY. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So again, this pair is similar, a lot of consolidation. As you can see, we're still consolidating to the upside. It's retesting the high, which it just did. But now we'll see where the retest is going to happen. So if you do fibs, I will look for buy opportunities at an area of support. So coming back down here, I'll look for areas to buy. But pretty much the New York session, the market rose up and then starts to drop down. So during London session, it was a lot of consolidation right here. So I was in a trade, but I was in a sell actually, but I was trying to weigh it out, even though it probably wasn't the best move because there's creating a lot of trap wicks as well as wicks on the top. So this is going to be like a breakout. But due to where we're at in the market and after the session ended, it was most likely it's going to retest the high, which it did, and it retested the high. That's that. AUD/USD is on the uptrend, so only focus on buy opportunities. This market's been consolidating this week, but it's consolidating to the upside. Let's go to the daily chart real quick. As you can see, we are retesting this area. So the market is trying to retest this area before it potentially drops. But right now, I'm not trying to chase a drop because the way the market's moving lately, the drops clearly is just temporary, and there's a lot of rejection. As you can see, a lot of rejection to the upside. So there's like a strong area of resistance. I mean, strong area of support and a strong area of resistance here. But we'll see what happens if the market's going to either finally break through this wick area. If it closes above the wick area, we know we're going to continue going up. And US dirty, right now US dirty. It's been an uptrend during New York session. It was a lot of consolidation in London, but it broke out through New York session. If you use the Fibonacci rule, you got caught the retracement for the uptrend. And it's also due to what's happening with the coronavirus and the markets. So that's why it's going up. And for gold finally broke up during New York session. It finally broke up to retest this area. But right now, gold could be potentially still on a downtrend. But you just got to monitor it. Because I know people trying to see if it's going to back up to 20,000. But we'll see. But that's pretty much it right now for Wednesday market recap. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You already know. We out here. Peace.